So you've been following along. You know that we have studied the market, we've created our own strategies, we've analyzed and compared them. So now we're ready basically to decide which one we want to carry forward. So Merlin offers this unique feature to guide you with the trades you have to execute in order to align your current portfolio to the new strategy, which is this align feature. You're going to head to the Align section by pressing Align. Then here on the left, you're going to see a drop-down menu and you select the strategy which reflects your current portfolio. And here on the right, you will see a drop-down menu, and here you're going to pick the strategy you want to shift to. So thanks to Merlin's awesomeness, aka magic, they give you a to-do list which includes all the details of all the trades you need to perform in order to align your current portfolio to the new strategy. So they make it very easy for you to just head to your trading platform afterwards and do what they say to do. So as you can see here, you'll see the assets and it tells you to either buy or sell. So when you're doing these actions, you know exactly why, right? So basically, this feature is meant to help you easily shift from your current strategy to a new one without the need to analyze and compare the assets of both. So then you identify those trades to be executed for shifting to the new one. Merlin literally does it all for you. You just select your starting and end point. Then you head to your trading platform to execute the list of trades Merlin just displayed for you here. So if you found this helpful, just please subscribe to our channel to learn more about our platform.